Climate change is altering everything we know about storm safety. Hurricane Helene hit Florida hard, but when it reached North Carolina, something unexpected happened. The Blue Ridge Mountains amplified its fury. This phenomenon, called the upslope effect, forced moist air upwards, cooling and condensing it into torrential rain. The result? Catastrophic flash flooding. Asheville and surrounding towns faced unprecedented rainfall, over 2 feet in just 4 days. The steep terrain funneled this water, turning serene valleys into deadly channels. Homes were swept away, roads became rivers, and communities were isolated. Climate change is intensifying these storms. Warmer oceans feed hurricanes with more energy and moisture, leading to heavier rainfall. For every degree Fahrenheit the temperature rises, the atmosphere can hold 4% more water. Asheville, once seen as a climate haven, now stands as a stark reminder: no place is immune to the impacts of our warming world. It's time to understand the full spectrum of climate risks and adapt accordingly. Stay informed, stay safe.